In this video, I'll show you how to log out of the DeepSeek app on your mobile device step by step. If you're unsure where to find the logout button, just follow along and you'll have it done in no time. As you can see, I have the DeepSeek app open on my phone and I'm currently logged into my account. The first step is to tap on the two horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu where you'll see your chat history, but instead of that, we need to tap on the small profile picture icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, the profile menu will open, displaying several options related to the app. Now, scroll down until you find the Logout button. To sign out, simply tap on this button. A small pop-up message will appear explaining what happens when you log out. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm by tapping Log Out again. And that's it. You are now logged out of your DeepSeek account. You can log back in anytime or switch to a different account if needed. And that's how you log out of DeepSeek on mobile. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.